We are here for this new scalp that I have on my head, a new glueless scalp, friend. Did you hear me? She is glueless, not tapeless. This is one of the best glueless installs that I've done. I feel like it's one of those. And I want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video because they ate it up. It's a gorgeous Bio Knots wig. It looks so pretty. It's a closure, girl. The closure goes from here to here. There's no ear tabs to play with. I'm so excited to get into it. And as far as the face, I'm going to do like a really, really simple. This is going to be one of my favorite face routines because it's really light, but it also is full coverage without being too full coverage. If you want to see how I got this look and how I got this glueless hairline, please keep on watching and I'll be back to do the face and the outfit. Okay, so your wig is gonna come inside of the Nadula hair box, and inside that box you're gonna receive your wig and the biggest gift of all, which is not a gift, girl, it's a wig, girl. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. This wig is a 7x5 pre-everything water wave 24-inch wig with an elastic drawstring in the back. Now this wig comes equipped with a whole bunch of stuff on the inside. You saw that it came with 3 combs, like I said, an elastic band. It also came with an elastic drawstring, a silicone backing, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline. Girl, she was ready to go. The best thing to see when you receive a wig is that you don't have to do too much to the wig to make it look good. Now with this wig, there was a couple things that I peeped. I said the first thing I need to make sure that I do, because I want to wear this wig with a glueless-ish spin. Look at this hairline. Look how good it looks. Look how easy this wig was to apply. And the curls are stunning. They're gorgeous. And they just continue to get fuller and bigger throughout the day. And if you like that about the hair, please let me know down below, because I'm that sort of girl. Now, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave a link for it down below, as well as a coupon code. Go ahead and get into it. Get your money off. Now let's go ahead and get into this face.